Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discuss how to hide our display cells with zero value in a worksheet in Excel. As you can see in my worksheet, I have the subject 1 marks and subject 2 marks, and the total of these two subjects I have find the total by applying the sum formula. When there is no value in subject 1 and subject 2, the formula will return 0. So if you want to hide the cells with 0 value, first go to the File tab and click on More. Now select Option and select the Advanced option. Scroll down and from the display options for this worksheet, unselect the option Show a zero cell that have zero value and click OK. Now you can see all the zero values are hidden. To display the zero values back, go to the File tab, click on More, select Options. Now select the Advanced option. Scroll down and select the option Show a zero in cell that have zero value and click OK. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.